Hey, what's up, guys? This is David Chase Taylor of 911truther.org. Today is May 25th of 2025. So, based on breaking news and events, it appears the CIA headquarters located beneath CERN at Lake Geneva in Switzerland is going to stage the arrest of one Donald J. Trump on the date of August 26, 2025, for crimes he did not commit, specifically to spark a second civil war in the United States. So basically, in short, on the morning of August 26, rogue agents from the CIA, FBI, DHS, U.S. Secret Service, and/or U.S. Marshal Service will accost President Trump in the White House and arrest him for crimes he did not commit. What's imperative to note here is that he will never ever see the inside of a courtroom, and that is how we can tell in a de facto manner that this is in fact a fraudulent arrest, because he will never be able to speak with an attorney or be able to have his case heard before the public, because he will be assassinated while in custody, most likely in a ancient, esoteric, and ritualistic blood sacrifice, which will subsequently be blamed on the president attacking a member of law enforcement, most likely an African American or another minority, suffering some sort of a heart attack, stroke, or suffering some sort of medical related event, possibly related to his recent diagnosis of venous insufficiency. But the most likely scenario is that under the guise of shame for whatever they charge him with, he will allegedly commit suicide. So before I get into the possible scenarios, I just want to really quickly highlight the numerology that's blinking red in respect to the date of August 26th. Firstly, obviously, it's the 26th. The number 26 equates to letter Z, which is an acronym for Zionism, and that is the political motivation behind this impending, basically, arrest and subsequent assassination of a sitting U.S. president. Considering that the date of August 26 marks 28,927 days since Trump was born in Queens, New York, back on June 14th of 1946, it's likely that he would be taken into custody on the morning of the 26th, and then he would die on sometime on the 27th, which would be 28,928 days, and so that's 28,928. We see the 28 numerology in the FBI raid targeting Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate back on August 8th, 8 of 2022, and this is basically the number 88 has many esoteric connotations, but basically it's a CIA kill number, so that's the most likely scenario. So exactly what they plan to charge Trump with on the date of August 26 is obviously not known, but it could be in respect to the January 6th attack, the November 5th election, the July 13th assassination attempt, obviously Russiagate, the ongoing Epstein scandal with the Epstein files, or Hurricane Crossfire. But the most likely scenario is that the CIA stages the arrest of Trump under the guise of abusing his power as president. So we saw this back in the first Trump administration, when he was basically impeached for basically a phone call with Vladimir Zelensky of Ukraine, the president of Ukraine. And so they've already set the precedent for this abuse of power, and which is really interesting, which is the irony of this whole situation, is that all the presidential power that was granted to the president, to POTUS, to the power of the presidency during and leading up to the Barack Obama administration, is now basically being fielded by Trump in this position. So it's actually kind of ironic that now he wields so much power in this position, and obviously he cannot be allowed to use that power to stop wars and to basically try to turn the country around. So obviously he has to be stopped in some form or fashion. And on this particular date, it appears that he would be arrested under the guise of abuse of power, and then likely terminated in some form or fashion on or around the date of the 27th of August. So obviously, if Trump is arrested for anything on the date of August 26th of 2025, I kindly ask that you download this video and share it with local, state, and federal law enforcement, military, and intelligence officials, as well as with local, national, and international media outlets. Peace.